Let's check in now with meteorologist Ray Petelin, watching what remains of Ida and its potential track. Ray.
Yeah, Ida is still a tropical depression. Now it's downgraded from the hurricane, downgraded from the tropical storm, but tropical depressions still bring incredible amounts of rainfall, and there is still very heavy rain coming down with Ida here. Now the current setup is we have Ida as a tropical depression. We have a front that's trying to push down in here and is going to be stalling out. So that's going to leave still an agitated atmosphere overhead because of this. So we have the cooler air trying to move in, the tropical warm air trying to lift up, and with this front stalling out, we're going to see some showers and thunderstorms as a result. So the next couple days we get some storms here and there scattered around, and that's not associated with Ida just yet. And then Ida comes in for us on Wednesday. So between now and noon tomorrow, the center of this is going to continue to lift up to the north. We're going to have our spotty showers and storms, but Ida continues to track in here, and you can see once we hit Wednesday, we're going to start seeing that heavy rain lining up and starting to push in, and we're going to get these waves of heavy rain trying to lift up into Pittsburgh. But the heaviest precipitation is likely Pittsburgh south and east as this cuts up that way. And since this is coming in and bringing potentially heavy precipitation along with it, we are looking at flash flood watches that go in effect at 2 a.m. Wednesday and stay in effect till 2 a.m. Thursday for Armstrong, for Allegheny and Washington counties south and east. And this is again 2 a.m. Wednesday till 2 a.m. Thursday. Now our rain right now is pretty much down to the south, rain and thunderstorms there. Not too much coming in. We did have a couple rumbles of thunder in the west parts of the county and one right up towards Wexford there, a little area of rain and a little action back in Ohio. But again, it's just a spotty natured rain and thunderstorm activity we're going to see over the next 24 hours. So tonight we'll pretty much calm it down. Once we start losing the heat of the day, these storms have a little less to work with. Then once we get into tomorrow afternoon, we're going to see them line up again. So some rain and thunderstorms, and you don't want to add any more rain than you have to in advance of a tropical system, because those are going to finish up. And then once we get into Wednesday, we're going to start seeing this rain moving in from Ida. Once we get towards 8 a.m., you're going to see some heavier rain potential moving into town here. This is for the morning commute. You'll find that the heaviest of the rain is going to stick with us into the afternoon and then start to shift out of here into the evening. By the time we get into Thursday, we should be into sunshine. But we have the potential for flash flooding. That's the quick rises in water on Wednesday. And then Thursday, we could see some river rises trying to occur because of the heavy precipitation moving in. And when it comes to rainfall amounts, the heaviest, again, is south and east of Pittsburgh. This is where we're looking at the potential of over 3 inches, potentially 5 inches in a few spots here as Ida works that way. Pittsburgh, we could be looking at 2 to 3 inches of rainfall, which could trigger flooding all on its own, and much less as you start to work north. So Pittsburgh south and Pittsburgh east is where we're looking at the biggest rainfall amounts. Right now, we have most of our temperatures in the 70s and 80s. It's a little bit down from what we've been seeing over the past few days, and our temperatures will continue to step down. And I wish I had more time to talk about temperatures, but the rain is the big thing we're going to be talking about the next few days. 66 tonight, variably cloudy skies, scattered thunderstorms around, not too problematic there. Same deal tomorrow, 78 degrees. Wednesday, it's on. We turn that rain on, heavy at times, potential flooding. Wednesday is the day to watch very carefully. And once we get through Wednesday, we get some much nicer weather starting to work back in, comfortable temperatures, comfortable humidity levels, lots of sunshine, and that takes us right through the Labor Day weekend. So a fantastic last hurrah of summer for you once we get into the weekend. And with the rain, with the thunderstorms, with Ida's remnants coming in, make sure you have the KDKA weather app. It gives you alerts as they come in. So severe weather alerts, that gets sent right to your mobile device. Heavy rain alerts get sent right to your mobile device as they come in. Great tool, especially once you have some severe weather moving in. Look for it in the App Store and Google Play by searching CBS Pittsburgh.